If you have been following me for a while, you know that I'm an iPhone 15 Pro Max complete fanboy. I love Apple, I love the Apple ecosystem, and I love the iPhone 15 Pro Max. My favorite iPhone and phone ever. But I also love to try Android phones. And in today's video, I want to unbox the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So if you are excited for my first impressions, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, roll the intro. So, as you can see, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and yeah, I love this phone. It's this beautiful natural titanium color, and I love it. It's been my iPhone for the last year, and it's incredible. But let's put it to the side, and let's now unbox the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Really easy, I think. Like, this has these two pull tabs on the box. You just pull them, 1 and 2, and you get this incredible easily to open box. It's quite simple actually. Instead of sliding upwards, just like the iPhone does, this slides like this. Let me just see if I can do it. Nice unboxing experience, Google, but not the easiest. I think that the iPhone is easier. I don't want to ruin this box. Well, I guess I kind of did. There you go. This is the Google Pixel XL, as you can see. I bought the obsidian color. Let's put it to the side. Here it is, this cardboard box, no plastic, just cardboard. So nice points for sustainability. And then here's the Google Pixel. Let me see if I can put it better for the camera. There it is, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Quite cool, if you ask me. Then you also got some USB-C cable, then some recyclable cardboard box. Nothing more. Put it to the side. This is the Google Pixel 9. Again, here we got some informations about the phone. They were very, very stuck. But we have the SIM ejector tool. So as you can see, SIM ejector tool, round instead of oval like the iPhone. And yeah, no need for that. Let's just save this. We also got the USB-C cable. I will not open this because I don't need it. And I need to return this phone after 1 month. So here it is, the USB-C cable. Quite nice. But here's the phone itself. As you can see, the Google Pixel 9 Pro, and I think it looks pretty cool. Let's open it up. Boom. There it is. The Google Pixel 9 Pro. As you can see, this is the Google Pixel 9 Pro. This is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, yeah, let me just put them on a different position. What do you think? Do you think they look cool? Which one do you think looks better? If you put it on my hand and feel it, just clear out the notifications. I mean, in terms of heftiness, they weigh about the same. In terms of looks on the back, I prefer the iPhone's natural titanium color, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below which one do you prefer. The Google has about the same matte finish that the iPhone has. It's not bad. I mean, let me just turn on the Google Pixel 9 Pro for the display to turn on. The iPhone already have a broken screen protector. I don't know if you can see it. Just turn on the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Here it is. It's turning on. Will it have the cool Gemini animation? Let's see. Yes, it did. A very, very cool Gemini animation. Geez, this iPhone is completely broken. Oh, it's turning it on. Let's see. It's taking a while. The iPhone. Yeah, but this is the Google. In terms of finish, the sides are not titanium. They are glossy, but not that glossy. I love this camera back design though. I think it looks pretty cool. Just, well, this is the iPhone's camera back design, but this is the Google's camera back design. This is very, very cool, and I love it. It has the temperature sensor, the flash, and the 3 cameras. Oh, it's on. Welcome to your new Pixel. English, United States. Yeah, get started. And then, of course, I have to set up this device. And yeah, I will use iPhone or iPad, and I will set up this phone, and I'll talk to you when I did. So let's actually now switch the SIM from the iPhone 15 Pro Max to Google 9 Pro XL. Yes, I will be switching from my iPhone to this Google phone for about 1 month. I think until the iPhone 16 comes out. At least that's my expectation. Whenever the iPhone 16 comes out, we have saw that the Apple event was, I think, on September 9th for the new iPhone. I was to publish a video on that news, but again, the Google Pixel 9 Pro came out on my house, and so I was ready to switch. No iPhone video, simply Google Pixel video. It's in kind of weird placement, but okay, I think it works. It's not easy, it's quite tight. Maybe my SIM card won't fit, but I think it is now. I hope so. Let me see. Nope. Oh well, we will have an issue here. It won't fit. Well, this is first experience, guys, with your SIM cards. Make sure they fit on your new phone, because you won't be able to switch if they don't. Oh well, let me just cut it, and I'll talk to you whenever I can do it. So, just made it, barely, but I did. Let's insert the pin, and yeah, I'll talk to you. So, as you can see, I can set up my fingerprint, just like any other Android phone. Especially this year, Google did something very, very cool. They actually created a laser optic fingerprint sensor instead of the older light requiring fingerprint sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro, and that was one of my biggest complaints with this phone. Because the Pixel 8 Pro was very, very bad when it was time to unlock it with the fingerprint. It was not reliable, it worked 1 out of 3 times, and so now I decided to actually give it a try on the Google Pixel 9 Pro because they have the Samsung S24 Ultra technology. So let's set it up and see how it works. So as you can see, click at agree, and just like the older Pixel and the older iPhones, you touch the sensor on the screen. It will start actually constructing your fingerprint. Yeah, it reminds me of the days of Touch ID on the iPhone. It's requiring me other parts of my fingerprint, other areas. It's done. Then of course, Face Unlock. Be reminded that this is not Face ID, just like this iPhone. This is not Face ID, so if I open up the iPhone, I can unlock it really easy, but no, this is less secure. This does not have any type of Face ID technology. It's just taking almost a photo out of it. It's not easy. Okay, it's done. So now we reach the part where Google will explain us every type of AI assistant on this device. You have Gemini, Circle to search, Add Me, and Studio. All of these are the new features on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. They will come later to other Android devices, but these are the new features for this device. And I do believe that Gemini will be the most important part of this Google Pixel 9 Pro. So I'm super excited to actually use this device on the real day in the life. Because again, both of these devices are really powerful. And again, nowadays, hardware is really similar. The iPhone feels a bit heavier, feels a bit more premium. But the Google Pixel 9 Pro also feels incredible. And now, with the new upgrades to the hardware, feels closer to the iPhone. It's squared off. The edges feel the same. It has a glossy finish, but the iPhone has this matte finish, matte titanium finish, while this one I think uses aluminum. The camera, well, the camera bump I think looks better on the Pixel 9 Pro. It looks more distinct and more, actually, I would say, symmetric than the iPhone. And yeah, I think that the gloss back looks also incredible. Both of these devices feel really good. They feel really premium, and I think they are worth $1,000 in terms of hardware, both of them. But again, the iPhone, it lasts more time, at least in value. It devalues less, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, I'm pretty much sure in 2-3 months will be half the price. I'm just joking, but about 30% actually loss on this value, it will happen. So yes, in terms of both devices, they both look pretty cool. But now that the Google Pixel XL is set up, I don't have double tap. Well, turned off. No, it's going to get annoying. Again, Google did the same thing that they did last year, and I hate it. And I talked about it extensively on my Google Pixel 9 Pro review, which was having the 2 buttons on the same side. This is annoying. I don't know if you can see here. You have the lock button and the volume buttons on the same side. This is so annoying, guys. I don't like it. I hate when companies do this. I hate it. So this will be my biggest complaint I can already see it. But the phone is already unlocked. And yeah, fingerprint, next. This will give me all of Gemini features. These are all. Translate to English. No, let's translate it. Yeah, got it. Let's use English. Turn on. Let's turn on all of these cool features. Yeah, so this is ready to be done. The thing about these phones is they are both really powerful. They have both incredible cameras. So here it is, ready to go, ready to fumble, and ready to rumble, just like some WWE stars would say. So here it is, the Google Pixel 9 XL, ready to go with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's see if this year my experience is different. Again, Google released the Google Pixel 9 Pro and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, while Apple only released the iPhone 15 Pro Max in September of 2023, and Google released the 9 Pro in October or November if I'm not wrong, and now they released the 9 Pro in August, so less than 1 year. So the 8 Pro did not age that well. At least Google released this very new updated version of the 9 Pro, and I really enjoy it. These new design squared off corners are really cool, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is my favorite iPhone ever. So it will be a cool comparison to have between these two devices. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Which one of these devices looks better? Which one of these devices do you think I will like most? Of course, I've been using the iPhone 15 Pro Max for 1 year now, and I love it. While the 8 Pro, well, the 8 Pro, when I used it, I was very critical of it, although it had some very cool features. So, will I enjoy this new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL? Well, only time will tell. I will have 1 month to review this phone, and I'm super excited. Whenever the iPhone 16 comes out, I hope it comes out soon. The event will be on September 9th. I hope this comes out soon because I want to compare it to this Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more videos on this debate. iPhone 15 Pro Max, Google Pixel XL 9 Pro. I will have all of the videos comparing the cameras, the hardware. I will have a full review and of course my 48-hour experience. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.